channel, I have a new box for you. Well, new to my channel anyway. Maybe not new to some of you, but it's the Adore box. But before we get into this box, I have a list of new subscribers here that I need to announce, and their name will also go down on the bottom. So the first one I'd like to welcome is Rita Miley, Ashley Church, Amanda Punk Ass Walker, love the name, girl, Laura Hatch, Sweet Sadie J TV, and she also has a channel, so go ahead and check out her channel. Becky Chase, Jen James, Lori Atkinson, Monica Wood, Sally Ryder, Donna Vanderpool, Anita Felon. It is P-H-E-L-A-N, Felon. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. And then Priscilla Nilla, she also has a channel. Go ahead and check out her channel as well. Michelle Winter, Sorzy Black, and Rebecca Greco. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you. Thank you for being a subscriber, and I am happy to have you. It pleases me when I see that many subscribers jump on board and join our crazy family. Okay, so now that we've welcomed all the new people, and if I missed anyone, let me know in the comments, but I try to keep track as closely as possible. Sometimes I miss. I'm human. Sometimes I forget. Well, not sometimes, I forget a lot. Let's be honest here, I forget a lot. So anyway, into the Adore box. This is how it came in the mail, and I do not know why they call them Adore box or box when it comes in a bag. I don't understand that. So I guess that's a question we'll never have answered. But anyway, this is the Adore box, and this box is $15 a month, and I will have a code down below so you can get your first box for $5. $5. Perfect. You want to just try it out? Give it a try. I will leave my link down below, and you will get it for $5. Normally it is $15, so that's $10 off of this bag. And this is, I want to say, kind of similar to an IPSY type bag. It is beauty products and hair and makeup, you know, all that stuff. We all need something to look forward to every month. With our monthly beauty and lifestyle box subscription, you will receive a box of carefully hand-selected items that you're bound to love. Boxes include drugstore to luxury brands too. Products may be sample, full size, or a combination of both. Subscribe now to try out new products monthly. And you get 4 to 10 items per box, and the retail value is 2 to 5 times in worth of the box itself. Free shipping plus bonus items. 3 subscription options. You can do monthly, twice a month, or every other month, excuse me, not twice a month, monthly, every other month, and then quarterly premium. Items may include makeup, hair care, jewelry, edibles. We're talking chocolate and housewares. So that is all the info that you need, and that code, like I said, it will be down below. So if you want to get your first box for $5, what a deal. It's a deal. Okay, so this is the little card that's included, and it tells you everything that I have in my box and the retail value of every item. So let's get this out first. This is Mask Bar. Yep, Mask Bar. Pretty Animal Sheet Mask. And there's that, and it looks like I got the Unicorn Anti-Blemish Sheet Mask. And this retail value is $5 for this sheet mask. While nutrients keep your skin looking beautiful, healthy, and moisturized, you're being entertained entertained by a great mask. That whole sentence didn't make any sense to me. But anyway, it's a $5 value, and there it is again. And I got the cute little unicorn. Wonderful. Let's see what else we got in here. This is by Milani, and it is Milani Brow and Eye Highlighter. The full size is $5.99, and this I'm going to assume is full size. And this is Matte Shapes and Glow lifts available at. Okay, you see the writing is kind of like, I don't know, it's blurry to me. Matte Shapes and Glow lifts available at Ulta, Target, Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens. It says Walgreens. W-A-L-T. I know it's not Walgreens. And like I said, $5.99 value. And this is in the color, I don't know. That's what color it is. But there's the color. It's kind of like a blonde, which I do not have blonde eyebrows. I barely have eyebrows to begin with, which would have been nice. But it does not, you do not get like a, you know, no, nothing to like Boxy Charm and IPSY. You can take like things that you like, you don't like, your colors you like, the colors you can't stand, all that. Yeah, color of your hair, eyes, you know, all that, skin tone. This, I have yet to find that on this site. So next we have by NYX. It is Faux White Inner Eye Brightener, and that is by NYX. Yeah, NYX. Full size of this is $7.99, and it says brighten your inner color for a more awake look. Available at Ulta, Target, Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens. So it's a white pencil you can put right there in the corner of your eyes to make yourself look like you're more awake, which I do to time here and there, most times. And then we have Tarantino Cream, or no, Gem Gloss. The full size of this is $21. And it says fun gloss to keep those lips shiny, moisturized, and beautiful. You know me and my lip gloss. I have so much lip gloss that I could start my own store. There's the color, and it probably does say the color on it, but I can't read the color. And there's the packaging. Let's see. Oh, wow. I guess it's not too bad once you put it on. I was thinking, oh boy, that's a hot pink. That's a hot pink. But I like that color. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Well, I like the inside of the package. It's all bright pink. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Yeah, it doesn't say on here, and I don't know why they do that with the barcode. Yeah, it's just lip gloss. You got lip gloss, and you got lip gloss. Last thing. And I was kind of hoping I would get, you know, a few more items, but we shall see what our last item is, and it looks to be a blush. Yep. And it is Percy. I think that's what that says. Percy Fresh Minerals blush. Full size of this is $12. Beautiful neutral shade for the fall season. Let's open this up and see. Make sure I open it the right way because, you know. Oh, that is really pretty. There's the color. It looks to be like got. Yeah, this one you definitely have to build it, but that is cute. I like that color. That's a very pretty color. Nice color for the fall. Yeah, it does come right off though. It worries me a little bit. Might have to use some setting spray maybe. But that is my Adore box for the month of October. I like it. $15. It's a nice little box, and I would say 1, 2, 3 things out of the 5 things are full size. So I mean, that's a good deal. 3 things. These 3 things right here are all full size items, as well as the mask. I would gather to say that all of them are full size, even the blush. So if you'd like to get your own Adore box or bag, whichever you prefer to say, I will leave the code and the link down below, because if you put that code in, you get $10 off this box. You get your first box for $5. So I mean, you can't beat that. To try it out, if you don't like it, then you cancel it and it's $5. That's not a bad deal. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're not yet subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button right over there, and I hope that I got everybody's name right, and I hope that I got everybody, and if I didn't, like I said, leave me a comment down below. If I missed you, my apologies, and I will put you in the next video real soon. Don't forget to go check out some of the channels that I have mentioned, because they're wonderful ladies and they need all the support they can get too. And if you happen to have a channel and you'd like me to give you a little shout out, I am more than happy to do so. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video real soon. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful, fantabulous, fantastical day. All right.